Y'all ready? I see this one here too. Starting to rust. And another lawnmower. Self-propelled too, I think. Yeah, I guess that's the engine. Yep, well, there it says it right there, self-propelled. Yeah, after I saw the wheelbarrow, and I got some stuff in my wife's car, let me go look, but.
And then I saw the lawnmower.
Came home, got the truck, and then it just started pouring. But you know what, I was already there. I was like, it ain't the first time.
Keep on moving, man, keep on moving.
Oh shit, though. Rain or shine, snow, hail, I'll be out there. You know, if I was made a trip out there, I wasn't going to turn around and come back home. So that's how it is. That's how we do's it. I'll show you what's in the trunk. Got some more short pieces of stick. Focus. Part of the catalytic converter. Oh, we like it. And now the rain died down. Looks like you got a little bit of more aluminum and wire in there, and this is what got paint all over me the other day. Me and Maddie Scraps came in here, and it was about 6 in the morning. Boy, now the rain stopped. Not a large haul. There's a nice chunk of aluminum. Oh yeah, a little extrusion there, boys and girls. Got a little bit of wire. A little bit of wire. And some of that aluminum tubing. And some steely shreds, or skibble scabble. As old Vulture likes to say. Which cracks me up. Oh, I got this empty tote here too. It was huge. I thought, why not? Yeah, the skibble scabble, I thought it was pretty funny because I've heard that before, you know, growing up. Skibble scabble. You know, the old folks. Oh, skibble scabble. And another thing I keep hearing the Vulture say is that, aye, aye, aye. Which I've heard growing up. And there's an old movie. It's probably, I don't know if he just said it or if he got it from that movie, but The Gods Must Be Crazy. Great movie. Very funny. Very funny. And then The Gods Must Be Crazy too, which was pretty good too, but I think the first one was great. The Gods Must Be Crazy. You ought to check it out. Anyways, heading home. Got my crickets. Get some crickets and some mealworms for the old pony boy. Good old pone. And then on the way home, I'm gonna hit up the Hope House dumpster just real quick. Why not? It don't make sense if I don't. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make sense if I don't do it.
Find an Indiana farm.
Answered an ad on Facebook there of a free water heater and a microwave. Pretty good size boy with the cord. Got my pipe wrenches this spring over there at the yard sale, so I'm gonna get them brasses off. I don't know, I'll have to see it in the sunlight. Might be red brass. There's some yellow. Some yellow boys, and then this pipe here is aluminum. Got some more brasses up there, and I don't know. Oh yeah, I'll break that in and get my magnets out of there I love, and cut the cord, strip it. Before I went there though, I picked up a few short shreddy steel pieces, and these are from work. More cans from work. I got this nice aluminum extrusion piece. It looks like we got some more aluminum wires in there. And then more wires just laying in here too. Cat 5s. Very nice. Nice little pickup. Going through that box, man, I just realized these things are very nice, for one thing. For one thing, they're very nice. Another thing, they're brand new. And there's even more in these boxes here. Brand new. Never been used. Cut down to whatever they need to be. Certain gauges. There's the ends of them. I don't know, what do y'all think? I'll probably have them gone by then. My videos are about 3-4 weeks behind. Maybe even 6 weeks behind. Oh yeah, look at all that copper. Nice little pieces of copper. Shazam. Alright, let's see what we get for this mess. Not too bad. Not bad, 380 pounds. Still holding down at 110 in that ton. $20.90. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Saying that pretty much I got like out of that 380. I say about 200 of the pounds last night. Yeah, about 200, 250 pounds last night. Out of one of the roll-off dumpsters, just one stop. That ain't bad. Took me like maybe 20 minutes to dig through it. You know, and throw them. I just parked the truck right next to the giant roll-off and just jumped in and just start throwing metal into the bed. Hey man, it was easy. Not bad for another day of scrapping. $20.90 more than I had when I started this morning. So it got me some gas, and that gas is probably gonna last me all week. Just throw that 20 in the gas tank, 90 cents for a Big Cape Polar Pop. Boom, baby. Yep, truck bed's empty, so now me and Scrappy Dude throw our bikes in there and go riding. It's a beautiful day. Look at this shit. It's fucking beautiful out today. Never mind that stop sign. It's a beautiful day to go bike riding. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. And on the way here, I saw another roll-off, but it's a real short boy. Real short, probably about like 3 feet high. You know, another roll-off dumpster, short. I'll show you on the way there. I'll get a picture of it. I'm gonna check it out. They're working today, cleaning out a garage, but it was a dumpster over here by the Family G, or the Dollar G, Dollar General, by the Dollar G. I jumped in it before. They had a big one in there, and I jumped in it and grabbed a bunch of stuff out of it. So now they got a short boy. That's right, they got a short boy going on in there. So we'll check it out later on tonight, this evening. What's up? What's up, foos? You know what I'm saying?
Hey, buddy.
Come out every day. Forced in your
No.
lovers. Very nice.
It's with you at the pet shop.
No, he didn't. He didn't show anybody at the pet shop. He was scared and lonely. He thought everybody was going to hurt him.
Baby, no one's gonna hurt.
Schwinn Mesa GS. It may be girl specific. This is a very small frame, which my wife has been wanting a mountain bike, but the frames are so crazy, you know. But women, I think it's like WS, women Pacific, girl Pacific. Short frames. Short this way, short that way. This is a nice bike. Had a blown front tube. All the cables seem to work really well. I bet the gears work really nice on this. Just get them adjusted. Wheels are straight. Just got to get a tube in this thing, maybe a tire and a rim strip or some electrical tape. Sometimes when the tube blows though, it can mess a tire up too, but we'll try it out first. If we need a tire, we'll get a tire. Not a bad little bike. Yeah.